Zika. Yeah, okay. So hi guys, many new items for Ugadi has come, and I'll show you to you from the basics. Lenin varieties, 250 rupees range. We have it everything in Dola and all, from starting from 260 to 350 rupees. We have it in Mysore silks, all in self and contrast and everything. We have it got Mysore silk varieties. All the varieties you can see here is in cotton varieties. In Siddhant, all new varieties have come in Siddhant. Any catalogs you can see it here. See, many new catalogs have arrived in Siddhant, and this is one of the newest variety. You can see the colors and designs, everything in this newly. I just can't send all the photos, so we just thought of making a video and showing it to you. The fabric is very nice and small border all over design. It's a hit design. We have sequins, 480 rupees. Many new varieties have come. We have it in Sahiba, you can see Crush. We have it in Bunny silk, contrast and self. It's a jerry line, satin border, fully floral designs, good variety. We have got it in nylon design. See the variety. This is in viscose cotton. And in a gala design also we do have it in. I'll just cover up all the varieties through a video so you get an idea like what has and all has arrived. This is in muslin silk, muslin cotton, we can tell. Very soft fabric. Oh. This Sundari silk, soft material, all in a prism taste. Range wise item this is. Here you can see all is in 3D, like black and white designs. These have come new. We have it in 3D style. See those here also. Everything in batik has arrived. See this variety. See this. You can see it in Kalamkari also. This is a new design. Pallu, in the skirt you get a whole figure design, and here you get this Sibori taste, and the border is in temple. This is my fast moving item in the checks item. We have this lovely collection here. See, each and everything I can't cover it in photos, I can't send you. So I'm just covering it in the video, showing you all the collections. So very good, nice saree. Come this side, I'll show you more. So, yeah. This thing is in center print here. That is. Sponge Georgette material. Pallu is in Kalamkari. Varli art design, you can see it here. Border, Varli art, Butta. Nice. All the sarees like this. And the contrast clothes. You get this kind of colors all in the same. All 6 colors you get it in this range. This we have a whole new variety in checks, washable. In pallu you get it in the center print, okay, as you wear, and in the skirt when you put pleats you can see up here center print, and in the pleats it comes down here like this. Nice saree. Here you can see we have got this collection in batik taste. Many varieties have come. This kata work, embroidery work. We have it in the skirt print designs. These and all are new varieties. Here we have a whole lot of collection of in silks. Nazika. Pure viscose fabric. We have it this in the crepe digital prints. Mysore silk kalamkari prints. We have got it in center prints. All in the crepe checks, design and everything. All the varieties have come in silk. We have it in the ones which I showed you the pictures. Russian silk. Good material. Chinon silk. Checks design. Pure chinon. 2D. Munga silk. Classy set. These and all are in embroidery works. French knot work. French knot works are this. We have it here in raw silk. This have come newly arrived raw silk. Cotton silk run cut. You can see the sari design very nicely. Rich pallu. See that design. Raw silk, contrast. Your favorite pashmina silk. Okay. Good saree. Totally new one and a hit design. See the pallu. Pallu, blouse, and the whole saree comes like this. This is everything is in weaving style. Good saree. Tissue silk. I'm just covering it everything so that you may get an idea like what collections we have. You can take a screenshot and send it to us so that we send you all the collection. This is in Pochampalli cotton variety. You can see the saree. Pallu, whole saree comes like this, and this is the blouse. And we have around 20 colors in this available. 20 colors. Lucknowi cotton, our hit design, Lucknowi cotton. We have got it in uniforms also. Whole lot of varieties. Many has come in designer wears also. See the material. Everything in designer work sarees and all new varieties, and many varieties have come. Contrast work blouse. Pearl work. Anything that you are looking for exclusive taste, more new varieties have come. Thread work, Jaipuri muslin. This is one of our hit one and mostly loved by everyone. Organza fabric. You can see the thread work. I'll just open up a saree here. Not much of a saree. Fabric is very lovely. Blouse work, the saree. Good saree, good to wear, good to feel. थोड़ा नजदीक and cover कर. See the fabric. Whole soft and lace. We have got in this many colors. We have got this. Although this section is fully filled with work and more new has come. This thing has come in Brasso. We have whole lot varieties in daily wear. Now here, what and all we have got here. You can see this range wise. If you have a uniform orders or a Bachne Sangha and all, you can take a uniform orders in this kind of sarees. We have got it in pure organza, designer wear. See these collections. Okay, these collections are of Bollywood style. You can see the saree and all. So I'll be uploading these and all photos in the group, but If I can't, please visit our store right away. You'll get whole collections. Many new varieties have come in blouse work also. Fancy blouse concept. All are in medium range. See the saree and the blouse. This is the saree and this is the blouse. Totally. And 6 to 7 colors. You can see here also. Saree and blouse. Many new varieties have come. Arrived. You can see whole lot of collection here. वो एक सिल्वर कलर वो है तुम वो लाइन साइंस वो अच्छा आगे ला shimmer trend. See the color change. If you are looking into work blouse collection, what to like? This and all we have got many new collections. All are in a medium range. These are the catalogs. Here we have got whole lot of collection. This side also. Everything is here covered up. Cotton varieties, yeah. If you were looking into mull cottons, many new cottons have come. All in the batik, pure cotton and mull. Each designs have changed. There are many designs. You can see this and all. This kind of designs which you would have seen online through. Whole lot of in mull cottons have come. Alright. All in the pure cotton range. This variety here, all are in synthetic soft varieties. The fabrics that you might have not seen before, all in the new fabrics we have brought. I'll just show you one. आणि वो लाइट कलर वो टेस्ट येतं नाही वाटण्या पडली नाही. See the material, fully soft viscose fabric. You won't get it anywhere else, but yeah, you can make money in this. Good fabric and more designs and purely weightless. The saree paper it is rolled. Many colors are there. See, there is this combination. This is the variety here. Barney design. A hit one, but in the very different fabric. Now this is in a new fabric. Acha, we have got this shibori taste also. Good. Now this is a new fabric here. This design I've sold around like thousands of sarees and 6 colors. See the design, and the material is very soft. Take a screenshot, share me up if you want it, or else come visit the shop right away. Here, come this way. Achha, the people who were asking in Swarovski, see the coloring. In Swarovski it has arrived. Soft material. Small flower design. I'll just take off one side. Achha, nahi? This is new. In Brasso, you get this work design. Totally new one. New concept, new design. See this Ganga. In Brasso it is. These all are Ganga ones. You can see the variety. Contrast sarees. This is in self. Many fancy qualities and many fancy ranges are come. We have got this Sarika Pattu also. This Naya Pavitra. Okay. In silver tissue, the range is around like 500 to 550 to 600 range. It is max of max. These sarees and all. And we have up to 1500 up to. And yeah, you can see this Brasso variety has arrived. Okay. We have got this sarees also. This super big. These collections have come. For the people who were asking colors in 3D, the Namrata Gowda saree, what I call. Okay, अच्छा बांध दियो गलत है. See, many colors have come. 3D, many colors have come. This design I had uploaded in the group. Hit design is going very fast. The ones who haven't ordered, please order in this. It is going good, particularly in pink, and you'll get extras so also in this. Ganga sponge georgette. See the border, very nicely done. Buttas and in Bandhani design. The saree is gorgeous. Which nice item. So here works also have come. Please cover this here. Come this one. These sarees, many designs have come in work also. Okay, I'll open up one work saree for Ramzan or the wedding season that you are looking. All exclusive and showroom taste we have here.
Nicely done. And this comes in a skirt. The fabric is in satin moss fabric. Soft it is. See the skirt is how it sits. And the work.
Good, no? And you get blouse work also. Here, sorry, please don't mind. But everything is messy around here. We had customers and now the time is around like 10 o'clock. We were about to close, but I thought of making a video and showing it to everybody. So this is in pure things, pure viscose. We the ranges are above 2.5 thousand up to 3,000. We have it in this, but yeah, for the budget friendly that you were looking, see here, the same one. The fabric, this one is in viscose, and this here, cover it up. Okay. Now this is in viscose one, which comes in jerry. This comes in print. Here the material is in tussar material. The range around of this comes around like 600 rupees. A very budget friendly saree and the new variety. Here you have got this variety here in Munga silk. You have got the hit one, Rangkard design turtle bandhani in viscose. All new fabrics. See, more are to become. I'm just showing you more samples here. See this. More of design and work sarees. Please don't mind the messy things here. The Jyotika sarees, the golden color, which are to be gone for the finishing thing. After it comes on finishing, it will be available, the golden ones. So guys, thank you, and everything is available. Please call me up, take a screenshot, send me it up if you can't come, and if you can, please visit shop. Thank you.